Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create 3D objects from text in Canva. So here you can describe your text and convert into image 3D objects. For easy access or for easy design, you can use Canva. So you can download it for free from official website and sign in with your account. You can click apps, then click AI powered, and make sure you have a good internet connection. Then you can scroll down and try to find the 3D artist. Bring your text to life in 3D. Transform text into 3D object with 3D artist. So you can start by click use in new design. And here we go. Object description: a red sport car, a tall building with clock tower. So you can describe a 3D object you want to create, or just try an example from practicing. Maybe I want to try with this: a black dragon bursts the forest. Create your 3D objects. For generation or via web, so you can continue generating for free by click this to directly go to this official website. So your description may produce inappropriate. Let's try something else. So you have to be careful with your word. So let's change the description: a red dragon flies over the city. And this is the result. So there's a red dragon. Maybe it's not perfect, but it is worth to try. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.